So this is an Italian girl and I love how they do their makeup. They keep it very natural and I want to do this Italian makeup look. I've actually put brown hazel contacts on. Can you see there? I feel like Italian eyes, they're just stunning. So I think the main thing is skin. So let's start the skin prep. For skin prep, I'm going to go in with my more serum. So I'm just going in with the COSRX Snail mucin Refy primer with my Charlotte Tilbury flawless filter. I'm not going to use sponges. I'm going to use the Trigwell Cosmetics powder puff because I just feel like it's just flawless when it comes to my base. I'm going to go very light with my foundation, so I'm wearing the NARS Light Reflecting foundation in Valencia. The Italians feel like it's all about skin, very natural, so that's what we're gonna do. Powder puff has literally changed the game. I've had so many, like I've said in my previous videos, people trying this out and this finish that they have. So you could tap it on, okay, or you could just do that. Either way, the coverage and the glow, can you see that? Ooh. I love how glowy the skin is, and I feel like this is what the Italian skin looks like. So I'm going to do a bit of concealer, but very light. I'm going to use my HNB, but I'm going to do probably there and there, so keep it very light. How gorgeous is that? So now I'm just going to go in with a bit of Cherry Blossom Huda Beauty loose powder, just a little bit. Mostly on my T-zone because I do want a bit of that glow to come through. Italians are known for their gorgeous eyebrows. I have none. So what I'm going to do today is try this Pink Honey Sugar Out for my eyebrows. So let's see how it goes. So what you do is just do that. I've my first time doing these. Ooh, wow! How effortlessly is this happening? Oh my gosh, if you love fluffy eyebrows and you've got no eyebrows like me, please get this product. Oh my gosh, wow. So I'm just going to clean up a little bit with another spoolie. Just enough, because I do want to keep the fluffiness, but just make it a little bit more refined. I'm just going to take a bit of eyeshadow from the Makeup by Mario matte palette, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lightly put strokes into the eyebrow because the Italians don't really put a lot of product. I feel like because they have naturally beautiful eyebrows, obviously they don't do much, but I don't, so I need to make hair strokes. The concentration. Excuse me, I literally had no eyebrows. Like, look at this, okay? So I'm gonna get a bit of concealer and carve it out with you. But look at this eyebrow. Use concealer because I want it to be as natural as possible. So I've just used the Iso Clean cotton buds. I love these things. They're just so, because they're like a bit tipped. Because I've got a tip, it's just so precise. How satisfying is this to watch though? I'm going to keep the hairs there at the front and just like that. So then I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer, but on the same cotton bud, just to kind of give it a bit of definition, but not too much because I don't want it to look fake. Because the Italians aren't about being fake, you know? Don't know what I'm saying. What am I saying? As you can see, just carving out a bit like that with the, just to make it a little bit more defined. Same on this corner. I could be related to Joey Tribbiani. So I always think of Italian as like the brown white people. Okay, so that's why I'm going to go in with my Makeup by Mario's face sculpt, just to give it that little bit of warmth to the face and on the double chin. So just there. I'm going to also put some on my nose, just to give it that kind of sun-kissed look. Then I'm going to go in with my cream bronzer from Refy in Tan. Just give it more of a tan look. You can see that. I love this. I love this cream bronzer. It's so pretty. I'm going to go in with a bit of blush. It's going to be a cream blush by Refy again. This is a very pretty cream blush. It's like that colour. I feel like Italians, when they do go red cheeked and blush, they look a bit like this. This is what their cheeks look like. So with the eyes, I'm going to keep it very minimal. Italians are known for like the winged liner. I'm going to have a soft wing liner, but with eyeshadow I'm just going to use the Makeup by Mario matte master mattes. I'm going to use a very like a transition shade, so maybe this color. So I'm just going to put it all over my lid like that. Oh, I like that color. I feel like it goes with the rest of the face. So I've actually mixed two colors. I've mixed this one and that one. I like this shadow. I feel like it goes with the whole look. Now I'm going to do a wing, but I'm going to do it with the black shadow and just make it a bit smoky. A bit like that. So I'm just going to smoke out the edge of the black shadow with a bit of dark brown eyeshadow, just to make it a bit more soft. And then I've got false lashes on, so with you guys, if you don't have any, I would highly recommend just curling your eyelashes and putting a bit of mascara on, just to make it a bit more. So I'm using the Lottie London mascara. I love this. You guys need it like right now. For the lips, I'm going to use the Refy Lip Sculpt in Rosewood. I love this colour. And when they say it lasts you the whole day, it does. So just going to go in like that. I'm going to actually use the Refy lip blush that I've used. And I'm going to just put it on my lip, because the Italians, I've seen the lip is very like rouge kind of colour, but not too much. So it looks a bit like natural lip, but like there's definitely a bit of product on there. But very, how pretty is that? So I'm going to do something. I'm just going to put the same blusher over my nose, because I just feel like they're very sun-kissed looking like. And I like that. And then just going to blend with a brush. I'm absolutely obsessed with how this look turned out. I feel like it's just so glowy, so warm, definitely Italian with the eyebrows. So I'm gonna do the hair and put the outfit on, and I'll be back. So this is the finished look. I feel like a bit like Sophia Loren, okay? I just think this is stunning. This is such a pretty glowy look, and I was going for that Italian look, and I feel like I think I've done it. I think I've done it. I'm just really obsessed. I feel like it's so natural, it's so glowy, it's beautiful, the eyebrows are on point, the skin. I love this look. So if you want to recreate it, tag me. And yeah. So even though genetics, we aren't all blessed with genetics, but you know what? Makeup definitely can help us look like that girl at the beginning. Anyway, that's my look. The sun's coming through. Ooh, look. Oh, look how beautiful it looks like in sunlight. Anyway, I'm going to stop obsessing over this look. Leave it in the comment section below what you think about it. If it's negative, I'm going to delete and block you. But just let me know. Love you guys, and ciao bella. No, ciao.